In today's video, I will teach you to change text perspective in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the background image in Photoshop. And in the toolbar, click the text tool and type in the word that you like. Now, change the size, font style, as well as the color to your liking. Once you're satisfied, right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Layer. Then, click on the Edit tab and select Perspective Warp. Now, make sure to enable the layout before making a panel for each side that you would like to warp. Since I only have 2 walls, I will make 2 panels for each side. Make sure to include the part of the text that you would like to warp on each side. Once you're satisfied, you can now click on the warp option and drag the pins to change the perspective of the text. And there you go. You can now change the text perspective in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.